Well, over to another breaking story. Nandi Hills Member of Parliament Alfred Keter has been arrested at the former Central Bank of Kenya buildings right here in Nairobi. It is alleged that the legislature attempted to trade in fake treasury bills. Once again, Nandi Hills Member of Parliament Alfred Keter has been arrested at the former Central Bank of Kenya buildings right here in Nairobi. It is alleged that the Member of Parliament attempted to trade in fake treasury bills. Those are pictures we're getting for you. We have a crew on the ground. We're getting scanty information. There you go. Alfred Keter, the Nandi Hills Member of Parliament, he has been arrested. And we're going to link up with Hussein Mohammed any moment from now. He's going to tell us more from there.
I'm sure you'll explain to them. You understand the legislative. No, it's not addressing.
See, I kept complaining on behalf of them. Now I'm part of it. My dad. See, I kept complaining on your behalf. And why am I part of it? You need everything yourself?
Junior.
Huh?
Junior.
Why are they? Sound.
Now, once again, Nandi Hills Member of Parliament Alfred Keter has been arrested at the former Central Bank of Kenya buildings right here in Nairobi. It is alleged the legislature attempted to trade in fake treasury bills. There you go. Those are the pictures we're getting from there. Apparently, he's being surrounded by some plainclothes police officers. This is a Member of Parliament who has been known to be very vocal at times, differing publicly with his Jubilee party. And this is a story that we're still following for you, and apparently he's been dealing in fake treasury bills, and he was arrested about an hour ago. So what are they planning to do next? And is he going to be taken perhaps to the courts or to a police station? Is something that we're yet to find out. But what we're getting now is that he has been arrested and is being held by some plainclothes police officers at the former Treasury National Central Bank buildings, rather, and apparently he's been arrested because he's been dealing with fake treasury bills. We have our reporters on the ground. They're going to tell us more, of course, on this developing story. Once again, reports reaching us is that Nandi Hills Member of Parliament Alfred Keter has been arrested like an hour ago. At this moment, he's still at the former Central Bank of Kenya buildings, and apparently he's been arrested with connection to dealing with fake treasury bills. We've seen he's being surrounded, of course, with some plainclothes